Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Iram Yomarazi from class 3 SBAV1. So this is our project assignment. So the first one is we must put the project title, which is assignment 5, and then project manager, which is my name, and then so we put all the activities that have in this task, which is the first one is user survey, and we must put in this table, and the second one is coding, and the third one is debug, and the fourth one is design interface, and the fifth one is develop training. So we move to other table, which is duration. So we move to the duration, and then the first one is 4, and then 12, and then 5, and then 6, and then 5. So we move to the other one, which is product scissors. So for the product scissors, okay, the first one we must put the non, and we move the second one. Okay, for the second column is B, third column is AC, and the last column is D. So and then we move to the next column, which is resource assigned, which is the first column we put Sophie, and the second column is Khatijah, the third column also Khatijah, and the fourth column is Suhaila, and the last one is Khairul. So each worker is assigned to work 4 hours per day. So this one show how to create a Gantt chart to move to the next task, which is to create the Gantt chart. So we move to this one. So we need to change the predecessors, which is 1 to 1, 2, 1, 3, and also 4. So and then we see here the Khadijah need to do 2 work at the same time. So we see here the histogram show the warning to the Khadijah place, and Khatijah need to do oversign or overwork. So to make sure that no conflict here, no conflict on Khatijah, we need to change that Khatijah need to do coding and also the debug. So the first Khatijah need to do coding and then do a debug. So we can see here. We see here and then we change the predecessors to make a conflict be better. And then after all we change, we can see the histogram of Khatijah will be same, like balance. Yeah, we see this. And also for the